back to Mama Z's Texas Kitchen. I want to make a simple little recipe today. I got to planning for this week for what's on the plate with Mama Z, and I realized I'm missing one of my key ingredients. Well, what do you do during this kind of lock-in when you really don't want to go to the store and you need something like brown sugar? I can make it. I have everything I need to make brown sugar. It takes 2 ingredients to make brown sugar: molasses and sugar. So I thought, well, other people may have never made brown sugar before, so I thought I would bring you along. It's a quick, easy little video, and I thought I'd show it to you. So I'm going to tilt the camera down. I'm going to show you how to make simple brown sugar. So if you're not wanting to run to the store and risk the fact that they probably don't have it, or you just don't want to get around people like myself, well, I'll make you some brown sugar. Okay, we're going to tilt the camera down and we'll be right back. Okay, what you need for this, it's very simple, guys. You need a measuring cup. I'm making kind of a double batch, so I'll just have some on hand. So I'm adding 2 cups of just regular white sugar. Okay. And then I'm adding 2 tablespoons of regular molasses. If I can get in the jar. And this is a 2 tablespoon measuring spoon. I like this measuring spoon. And that's all brown sugar is, guys. And if you want dark brown sugar, you just add more molasses. And then you're just going to mix it up. So I am going to be making something really good for what's on the plate this weekend. I'm going to tease you. I'm not going to tell you yet. You're going to have to tune in and check it out. And we're just kind of using what we got here. I will tell you, it's going to be a dinner / canning with what's on the plate with Mama Z Saturday. So 9:30 Central Time. Join us. I'm breaking this up just a little with my fingers. And this just makes perfect brown sugar, guys. And I'm just going to store it in an airtight container. Look at that. Light brown sugar. Now, like I said, if you wanted it darker, just add more molasses to it. And guys, that's all there is to it. So join us Saturday for What's on the Plate with Mama Z and find out what I'm going to use with this awesome brown sugar. And here's the thing. One last note. I know exactly what's in this brown sugar. You might not know what else that they use in store-bought brown sugar. They add a lot of extra junk to it. So there you go. Thanks for joining me, guys. See y'all Saturday.
Great outdoors, forever.